Today I want to discuss some important definition of the sets, and it is very important. What is subset? My advice to you is you must go through the definitions and think on the definition also. Let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, then A is called a subset of B. Every element of A is in B, then A is called a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, we write this symbol, A is subset of B, which is read as A is a subset of B or A is contained in B. Thus, A is subset of B if A belongs to A. This implies A belongs to B. So, this symbol if stands for implies. This symbol is this symbol of implies. If A is a subset of B, we say that B contains A or B is superset of A, and we write in this way, B is super. तो जिस तरफ जो सुपर है उसके तरफ हम बड़ा मुंह फैला दें. B is superset of A. If A is not a subset of B, then we write this symbol. My dear students, you must keep in your mind all the things while solving the problems. Next point, which is most important, is every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself, and the empty set is subset of every set. These two subsets are called improper subsets. This is very important for objective type of question. What is improper subsets? Every set is subset of itself, and empty set is subset of every set, and these two sets are known as improper subsets also. A subset A of a set B is called a proper subset of B if A is not equal to B. A is said to be proper subset of B if A is not equal to B, and we write A is proper set of B. In such a case, we also say that B is a superset of A. B is a superset of A. Thus, if A is a proper set of B, then there exists an element X belongs B such that X doesn't belongs A. मतलब A यदि B का प्रॉपर सेट होगा तो B का कम से कम एक एलिमेंट A में नहीं होना चाहिए. Thus, whenever we want to prove that two sets A and B are equal, we must prove that A is subset of B and B is सबसेट ऑफ ए. दो सेट को इक्वल होने के लिए ये जरूर प्रूव करना है A इज सबसेट ऑफ B एंड B इज सबसेट ऑफ A, वाइस वर्सा. दिस इज ए मोस्ट पावरफुल टूल्स टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यू मस्ट कीप इन योर माइंड. नाउ यूनिवर्सल सेट, ए सेट दैट कंटेन्स all sets in a given context is called the universal set. This word is very important. Given context. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, then universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because all the elements of ABC are present in universal set. So in this context, this is the universal set of A, B and C, power set. Let A be a set, then the collection or family of all subsets of A is called the power set of A and is denoted by PA. That is, PA is the collection of a subset S such that S is proper set of A. S is proper set of A. Since the empty set and the set A itself are subset of A and are therefore elements of power set A. Thus, the power set of a given set is always non-empty set. Try to understand for example also. Let A barabar 1, 2, 3. Then the subset of A are 1 is empty set. Again singleton set 1, singleton set 2, singleton set 3. अब दो एलिमेंट लेके 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 3 every set is subset of itself. ये पावर सेट में रहेगा. This set, if A is the void set phi, then power set A has just one element phi. That is power set of phi is the set having element phi, having element phi. So in this way we can deal here a very important problem. This is very important for the purpose of examination and also understanding part. Cardinal number of power set within the bracket P into power set of phi is equal to 4. The power set of phi is equal to the collection of the element with phi. Instead of power set phi, we write phi having this symbol curly bracket. Now power of power set of phi, power of power set of phi. You remove this power set of phi by writing this, and now power set of this phi with curly bracket is phi and this set with curly bracket. Again power set of power set of power set phi is equal to power set of phi within curly bracket, and this phi is also within curly bracket. Then we also expand it to phi curly bracket phi and this set curly bracket with double curly bracket, and now all the elements of this set curly bracket with phi and phi. In this way there are 4 here elements in this power set of power set of power set phi. So you must think on this problem, my dear students. In this way we have discussed all the important concept of this chapter. I hope you have understood. Now in next video I will solve the problem of exercise and apply this concept. Thank you very much.